Patron, basbasan mo't pagpalain ang iyong piniling nilalang. Ang tapat at mabait na mayor ng bayang ito.
Who is this man who embraces God in his left and cuddles Satan in his right? This story is based on historical events that harms the whole nation. Fresh as today's headlines, a movie that will expose the abuse and corruptions of the so-called political warlords.
Sabihin mo kay Mayor, sa libing niya kailangan ng koronang to! Huwag niyong bastusin ang puro na kapatid ko! Isa-isa lang lalabas ang iyong kasakiman! Lahat ng kahayupan mo! Pagbabayaran mo yung ginawa mo sa aking kapatid! Humanda ka, Mayor!
Humanda ka, Mayor! Bahala na ang Diyos. Chris Aquino.
Kailan pa pwedeng magreklamo mga katulad nyo? Eh, ang pagmumukha nyo ang kriminal ang dapat kasuhan.
The rage of Agamulak as their constraining man to hold vengeance in his heart. And guns in his hand.
Turo mo sa akin kung nasa si Mayor. Hindi ako mamamatay. Dagol! Nasa loob ng bahay. Kasama si Christine. Sabi mo, hindi mo ako tutuluyan. Nagsinungaling ako. Ipinapangako ko, kapag hindi pumutok yan, ligtas ka na. Lalabitin mo na! Hala, sige.
What demonic power drives this man to possess the ultimate madness of terrorizing the whole town? Making it a killing field is order of the day. Feed the living, bury the dead. Pray that this insane man is not the mayor of your town. Humanda ka, Mayor. Bahala ng Diyos.
Sige.
Owned by Harold J. Caparas, a joint venture of Regal Films and Golden Lines Films Productions Incorporated.